So excited to be in London for the first time, but this rain, I don't know what's wrong with this London's weather. Good morning guys, and I'm in London. I actually arrived on Monday 24th of August and wanted to make a video, but all-time famous England's weather doesn't allow me to record any video. It's been raining every day, but today it's a little bit better. It's a bit cloudy, but so far there's no rain, so I decided to make a video today. And for today's video I'm going to show you a bit of London and how is it after lockdown, after coronavirus. So let's start. So it's around 10 a.m. in the morning, and you can see the streets are a bit busy. This one is not, because this is a tram line plus the bus lane, so the cars and all the other means of transport, they are passing from the other side. And even you can see the weather, it's very cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain in like next 1 hour or 2 hours until I finish this video. So I'm actually not in central London, I am actually in Croydon, and you can see people are there on the streets. They are walking towards their work or wherever they are going. The cars are there, public transport is there. So now I'm going to get in a bus and see. That's a bit busy junction, and that's why it's somehow cloudy. So this is a typical London bus stop. The screen is showing the upcoming buses, a little bench to sit and wait, and this side there's a board with the bus stop name and the number of the buses are written, which buses stop here. To pay for London transport, you need an Oyster card or a contactless bank debit card. Oyster card is a prepaid card. You can top up with your money before your journey, and once you arrive on a train station or tram station, before accessing the platform, you have to scan in, tap in and tap out. And for the bus, you only have to tap in, you don't have to tap out. So our bus has arrived. So I'm going to tap in my Oyster card, or if you have a contactless bank debit card, you can use it as well. And that's it, the green light shows. For me, I prefer sitting on the upper deck. The reason for that, if you have some time, if you are free, you are not rushing somewhere, or your stop is not very near where you are going to get off from the bus, then what you can do, you can go to the top floor, the top deck, and you can get one of these front seats, and you can enjoy the beauty of this beautiful city from this big window. You can also sit downstairs, and same as upstairs, the screen is there with the name of the last stop of this bus and the next stop. So you have to pay close attention to it. And once your bus stop is about to arrive, what you have to do, you have to press this stop button. It will tell driver that he has to stop at the coming stop.